This is for Year 12 Methods. It's 6 question quiz number 3, question number 5. This is my x. Probability that x greater than 16 is equal to 2. So state two probabilities. Okay, so this is my x, and it's a normal distribution as a mean of 10 and a standard deviation of 3. So 13, 16, 19, 7, 4, 1. And I'm going to compare that to Z. So I'm going to draw my Z distribution below it and have the mean in the same spot and the same distribution. So that's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, and I want x greater than 16. So I can see that 16 is 2 standard deviations away from. So probability that x is bigger than 16 is equal to 1, 2. So it's the same probability as x less than 4. That's one example of an x. It's also equal to the probability that z is bigger than 2. It's also equal to probability that z is less than negative 2. I could see my 16 lined up with 2. You could use z equals x minus mean over standard deviation. 16 minus 10 over 3, 6 on 3 equals 2. So what are the other ones that you could write? You could write 1 minus the probability that x is less than 4. 1 minus the probability that x is bigger, so not less than 4, less than 16. Bigger than 4. 1 minus the probability that z was bigger than negative 2. 1 minus the probability that z is less than positive 2. You only had to give 1 in terms of x and 1 in terms of z. Any one of those would satisfy because it would equal the same as this probability.